Do you need hair help? And do you need it fast? Well, I have created hairadvisor.ai as a tool for you to answer all of your hair related questions as if you were asking me for personal hair advice. And this combines a handful of different technologies. It's not just, oh, it's an AI technology or it's this. No, it's combining a few technologies that have been custom coded into this. I hired a team of developers just to make sure that it can provide you the results and hair help that you need on the go at any time. Check this out. Here is hairadvisor.ai, and I'm just scrolling around so I can show you what it actually looks like. So some disclaimers about FAQ. You can even contribute to this. It's free to use, but you can search your question. Here's some sample questions. And, like here's one about hair routine. So it will take a couple of seconds. And once it's ready, it's going to spit out the information live. And this information is based off of like the advice that I would give. We actually coded this to sound, very similar to me and take direct advice. Now, it's also suggesting YouTube videos, which is really, really cool. So you can watch other YouTube videos for advice. This is literally like an all-in-one solution if you need hair advice. So if you want, you can then, type something else. How often should I wash my hair? That's another big one. Let's just fix that typo right there. How often should I wash my hair? Submit. It's now doing the research and, creating the response. And then after a couple of seconds or so, there it is. It's describing the frequency of, washing your hair. It even has some videos, some YouTube videos of mine, which you can watch, which is also cool. Now check this out. Create an image of the best haircuts for a round face. You can have a round face, a square face. You can ask it to generate an image to suggest a haircut. The thing about the images, though, is that it does take a little more time because we're using an advanced technology that produces the highest resolution. And also keep in mind that I'm funding this myself. Like, I don't have, backers to this. So right now I am using technology, which is really good, but I'm limited on how fast it can produce stuff. So it's going to take, I don't know, maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds. And then all of a sudden, here we go. It's now going to suggest, these are insanely high quality images, right? Look at this. So you can ask this hair advisor to advise you and to create images. And yes, a side parted haircut like that with some wave works great for a round face, right? Because you're changing the angle, you're changing the illusion where it's not just, you're getting some height too, some height in the hairstyle as well. Really, really amazing technology. And I'm excited to be on the forefront of creating this because this doesn't really exist. And you saw it here first from the Salon Guy. You know what I mean? Here's one. Are there any good salons in your area? Type in a zip code. It even spits out salons or barbershops in your area. So I really, really, really put a lot of effort, my own investment in making this work to bring modern day technology to be able to provide solutions for you. Here's another one. What is the best product from the Salon Guy? It's going to browse, my store based off of the information that it's gathering, because we did actually hard code this into my store, my YouTube channel, all of that. So it's going to suggest to you a handful of products from my lineup, which you can then, purchase by clicking the link. So, I am very proud of this. I put a lot of time and effort, and I really, really hope you enjoy it. As an entrepreneur, these are things that are very passionate to me, bringing technology to the forefront of the industry and making it accessible to you, the people who have watched my videos and supported me all this time. So hairadvisor.ai, have fun with it. There's actually a hard cap on a daily use because I have to pay for the platform when someone uses it. And there's several things I have to pay for just to make it run. So you can make donations there if you want to support it. That's totally cool. It's free to use, however, but what happens is if so many people use it during the day or at a certain time period, it actually puts a hard cap and you may not get the search results. You have to wait till the next day for it to reset. And that comes down to me having to pay for that, okay? But I'd love your support. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this. I'm really excited about bringing technology to, modern day creativity and the hair industry. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget hairadvisor.ai. I'll see you soon.